How to link to hidden page in Wix website. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can link to hidden page in the Wix website. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here, and then select the site you want to edit, click on edit site, and you'll be brought to the Wix editors page. Okay, so once you're on this page, by the next thing for you to do is to hide the page. Okay, how do you hide the page? By going to the pages and menu tab located by the left side of the screen. So once you locate it, you click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, select site menu, and then here select the page that you want to hide. Okay, and how do you select the page? By clicking on the three dots next to the page, and then okay, you cannot do this for home, so just select on that page, click on the three dot. I always click on the three dot, a box will be displayed. Then click on hide. All right, hide. Once you click on hide, the page will be hidden automatically. Then after that, the next thing for you to do is to add an element. Okay, click on add element. It is this element that you would link to your to the page. And so the elements can be either an image or a button. For me, I'll be choosing a button. Okay, and I'll be choosing text and icon button. And then for you to add this to the page, just um copy, sorry, just hold it and drop it this way. So this is the button. And then the next thing to do, once you've selected the button, you'll see some icons, some tools at the top part of the button. So click on the link icon. Once you click on it, let's click on it again, a box will be displayed, as you can see, showcasing page. So we are selecting page. So now, which page? Okay, so yeah, just type the page, it's portfolio, right? Then you click on it. They didn't want it to be a new window or the current window, so I'll leave it in the current window and then click on done. So once you click on done, automatically the the button will be linked to the portfolio site, although you cannot see it here, but it has been linked. So how do you see it? Just click on preview. Okay, and then once you click on preview and you want to see the portfolios page, just click on this, that is the button. Okay, if it's not working, that means that yeah, you can see this is the portfolio. Yeah, after clicking on the button, the portfolio page came up. But then if it's not working, if after clicking on it, it does not work, that means that for you, you would have to publish the site. Just publish the site, and once you publish the site, and you click on the button, the portfolio page would come up. So this is how you can link to hidden page in Wix website. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.